Welcome back, everyone. Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada, for one more video. Well, this is Randy's Mahogany Telly that you saw a few videos ago. He dropped it off to get this bell brass saddle for the low A and E string. The intonation actually lined up surprisingly well with those stock saddles, but it was these two strings that needed the most help on the intonation. Now it tunes absolutely 100%, and it's also kind of softened the sound of the two bass strings. So have a listen. Okay, you're going to do sort of a quick round robin of repetition of three chords: G minor 9, C minor 9, and D 7th. And I'll just play them different voicings of the same chords in different portions of the neck, give you an idea of the accuracy, the intonation. Beautiful guitar, Mahogany Telecaster.